Going on a field trip. Hey guys, Shawn here with Uneek Sign and Design, and today we are going to be driving around doing some window perfs for people around town. Right now we're at the Economy Guest Village here in Rock Springs. We're going to put some window perfs on. Check out how that goes down. Alright guys, we just finished up at the Economy Guest Village. Here's what those look like. And there. Moving on to the next place. So now we're over here at Mob Vapor, a local vape shop over on Elk Street, across from the park. I'm gonna do a quick door perf for them guys too. Alright guys, we just finished up at Mob Vapor. What do you think, Mike?
Oh damn. Oh, that's tight. I love it, dude.
Awesome. Alright man, see you later.
Thanks, bro.
Yep. On to the next place. Alright guys, now we're over at Artificial on Grant Street. Doing a new window perf for them. Let's check that one out. Alright guys, we just finished up at Artificial. That's what that one looks like. And we're heading back to the shop. Alright, now we're back at the shop. We're gonna wrap a 2013 Ford Explorer for the Lyman Police Department. It's exciting to know that you guys get to see what goes on in a full day here, but enjoy this one too. Alright guys, we just finished up with that Explorer for the Lyman PD. That's what it looks like. Here's the back. And then here's the other side. Three different window perfs and a police car, done before 3 o'clock. We'll see you guys next time.